This afternoon, Dr. Roberts submitted his resignation to the Des Moines Public School Board through his lawyer. Roberts says he did so out of concern for students in the district. The school board will meet tonight at 7:30 to consider either accepting his resignation or firing him. KCCI has team coverage as we continue to learn more about Dr. Roberts' arrest and what's next for the district. We're going to start with KCCI's Bo Bowman with the first public statement from Dr. Roberts' legal team since he was arrested on Friday. Bo?
Yeah, Ben, like you said, this was our first opportunity to hear from Roberts' side of this ever-developing story. And while his attorneys weren't able to provide many answers aside from our questions about his biography, they did hint at what their strategy is going to be moving forward in court.
What we did yesterday that everyone is curious about, we filed a motion to stay.
Dr. Ian Roberts' attorney, Alfredo Parrish, held a news conference Tuesday afternoon detailing their plan of attack in court. He says they filed a motion to stay, a court filing to temporarily halt or postpone legal action, a court order, or the enforcement of a judge. In this case, if the motion is successful, it could keep Roberts from being deported. Parrish says they can't disclose what was written in the motion.
These files are difficult to access. They're difficult to get, and we have done our best to try to get as much as possible to give the public some insight into what's going on.
Parrish says they're also in the process of filing a motion to reopen Roberts' immigration case. He says after the 2024 final order of removal, Roberts later received a letter from his former attorney telling him that his case had been closed and had come to a successful resolution.
His prior attorney was in Texas. At the end of this conference, I'm going to share a letter that was received from the prior attorney telling his case had been closed successfully, and he was under the impression that it had been.
The motion to reopen could be crucial in a judge's ruling on the motion to stay. According to the website for the U.S. Department of Justice, motions to stay are only entertained under very specific circumstances, one of them a successful motion to reopen.
We will be filing a motion to reopen the case, and once we do that, we'll be ready to rock.
KCCI did reach out to Roberts' former attorney based in Texas. They say, quote, "I can advise that our firm provided necessary notices to the client."